Welcome to the channel. We are discussing Fibonacci series problem, and in the previous tutorial we wrote a Python program to print Fibonacci number in the Fibonacci series using loops. Today in this tutorial let's analyze time and space complexity of that program. Here we have our function. First let's calculate time complexity. This is the function header, so it will take constant time. Then we have variable assignment, so constant time. Next, here we have loops. So here we need to calculate how many times this loop runs. Here it runs n time. N value is 5, it runs 5 times. If n value is 10, it runs 10 times. If n value is 20, it runs 20 times. Big O of n. Then returning the value, a simple operation, so constant time. Lastly, time complexity is big O of n. Ignore the constant terms. Next, let's analyze space complexity. Here, n is input, to variable to store the value, constant space. Here I is a loop variable, takes constant space. Range is a generator like object, takes constant space. We are not using any data structure or recursion, so space complexity is big O of 1. That's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in next class. Till then, take care.